Wyoming getting bombed. Look at that. You know that's at least 5 feet, 5.5 right there. I mean, some places is 4 feet, and every time they plow it out the way, there's drifts pushing it back in. So this is all of like I-80, I-25. You know, who knows what the back roads look like? I wouldn't risk it. Usually I never get in these situations. I'm not in any of this that you see in the photos. I'm where it's not that much snow. But damn, man, y'all be careful out there, man. You can't go anywhere, so don't try it. What's up with it, y'all? Yeah, I go over there. Still out here in Wyoming. This is over 48 hours, I want to say. Well, soon to be 48 hours, definitely. Somewhere, yeah, about 5 o'clock today will be 48 hours. Same truck sitting in the same space. That one truck was following me. That truck was already here. That truck down there was already there. There's other trucks. That truck been here. All eastbound trucks. Over here at Little America. Once you get east of there, 30 more minutes, it says not a good look. State troopers told us Sunday when I came in the state, it says 7 miles ahead, interstate closed, which it was. Then they opened it, but it was pointless of riding. So I parked in a hotel parking lot. Then they ran me out of there. Then I had to move, which was bogus as hell. Well, unless you're gonna get a room. If I'm gonna stay here all day, then I'll get a room. But whatever. What do you want to do when the state shuts everything down, right? But we end up moving. State troopers said y'all could ride. You only can ride for 2 hours. So I was like, all right, bet. You only can go to Rock Springs. After that, you can't ride no more. All right. Ride out, get up here to Little America. Said it's only 30 more miles to Rock Springs. I know ain't nothing in Rock Springs like that. You know, so I mean, I think there's a Flying J or something over that way. But I'd rather just be at Little America. So that's where I've been at last couple of days. Pushing 2 days for sure. Hopefully it don't turn to 5 days, 6 days, but the snow is serious. Like over here, this is light. This is light. You know, but you get all the way out that way, and today it's trying to snow over here. We talking about snow, I mean, like up to here. That's like what, 4.5 feet, 4 feet. A state trooper had showed it, I think on Wyoming's website, Highway Patrol website or something like that. How high the snow was. They had heavy machinery out there, bulldozers and stuff, just pushing it out the way. I mean, it's pushing it out the way, and wind gusts or whatever is pushing it back out in the road. So you pushing 3 more feet of snow back on the road. They done went through it and they're pushing it back out. You know, so you're not getting anywhere at this point. But whenever, let me ask this dude right here. Let's see. Huh? Nah, how long you been here?
Like almost 42 hours.
You been here 42 hours? So I've been here a little over 34, 35 hours. So.
Yeah. And park here, and after a few minutes, you park.
So you've been here 2 days, basically, yeah. Almost.
So
nah, it ain't even open yet.
Any update?
Nothing happening up there. You might see one truck, but you know you only could go to Rock Springs, so after that you fucking screwed, so you ain't going nowhere. Yeah. I mean, you can risk it and take some back road, but then you'll be screwed. You get back there and then you run into something, it's over for you.
So no any update yet?
The last update was, I think it said later on this evening or whatever. So like You see him, but you know he ain't going nowhere. He gonna get all the way over to 30 more miles. He's done. So he probably knows that. So I mean, you probably see like one truck, two trucks every couple of hours going that way. Other than that, you don't see nobody. You see like a few going westbound, but I guess they kind of cleared the westbound. Yeah.
Last year I'm stuck.
Last year it was bad.
1 day. It's crazy.
How many days?
Last time I was like 1 day.
Oh, 1 day.
Stuck, and almost weather changed, so no snow this time, but stuck in 2 days. You know?
Yeah. That time people were stuck out here for like a week.
Yeah.
So, but so far it's gonna be 2 days. Looks like it's gonna be 2 days. You've been here almost 2 days for sure.
I'm 2 times booked the load, 2 times canceled.
You booked 2 loads and they canceled?
Yeah.
You had to cancel them, or they cancel it?
Yeah,
It's rough out here, boy. All right, man. You know, I got my appointment. Well, it's kind of like from 5 to 10 in the morning. So every day I just update them. They just push it off to the next day. So, but what are you gonna do? I mean, I'll give them the updates, send them the photos. Look, this is what it is. I think y'all can see the news. Y'all see Twitter. Y'all see Facebook. Y'all see Wyoming DOT. Like I said, it's light here. This is nothing. You go all the way out, though. It's over for your ass back that way. Even points west, it's kind of tough, but it ain't like it is back east all the way, you know, to Laramie and Cheyenne and all that. So, I mean, it's the first time I actually got caught in one of these, and I can't say I'm actually in it, but I know. Don't keep going. You know you ain't going anywhere. Pay $50 for the hotel, get some food, sit around, chill out, get on the internet and play with y'all. There go 2 trucks right there. But westbound, I think it's kind of clear in certain areas. You know, you really not gonna see that many trucks come through here. More westbound than eastbound. As you can see, no action going on up there. No action. So y'all, if you're coming I-80 eastbound into Wyoming, it's probably a wrap for you. It was so bad over in Evanston, man. Trucks was parked in the streets. Couldn't go nowhere. They shut it down. Trucks was parked in the streets. State troopers allowed it. You know, the one dude at the hotel tried to be funny. I mean, I probably could just told the state trooper, yo, tell this man something. But, you know, whatever. I moved on. But people were parked in the streets. People were parked at the fuel pumps. Hotels. Regular gas stations. Other stores. Wherever they could park at, man, they was just parked. And then they, like I said, cleared it up and brought us out this way. And what's the point, you know? Just shut it down, it's over. There's a truck right here. Who's the trade winds, I think. Does that company even exist anymore? But he's coming in. But anyway, let me go get my stuff. Go back to the room, and looks like it's gonna be another day. Go get my breakfast. Might catch me in the stream yard later, I don't know. With that said, it's your boy with another video out here in Wyoming. Anybody out here, come holler at your boy.